Imagine you're on a bustling street in a foreign city. You've just finished a delicious meal at a local restaurant, but you don't have any cash on hand. What do? Fortunately, there's a simple solution: GrabPay. GrabPay is a convenient e-wallet that lets you pay for everything from food and transportation to shopping and services. In this video, we'll show you how to activate your GrabPay account and start using it right away. Step 1. Download the Grab app. The first step is to download the Grab app from your smartphone's app store. Once you've downloaded it, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your phone number or your Facebook or Google account. Step 2. Verify your identity. After you've signed up, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a simple process that involves uploading a photo of your identification document, such as your driver's license or passport. Once you've uploaded your document, Grab will review it and verify your identity. Step 3. Add funds to your GrabPay wallet. Now that your account is verified, you can add funds to your GrabPay wallet. There are a few different ways to do this. Credit or debit card. You can add funds using your credit or debit card. Simply go to the wallet section of the app and select Add Money. Cash deposit. In some countries, you can also add funds by depositing cash at a GrabPay partner location. Bank transfer. You can transfer funds from your bank account to your GrabPay wallet. Step 4. Start using GrabPay. Once you've added funds to your wallet, you're ready to start using GrabPay. Here are a few ways you can use GrabPay. Pay for food. GrabPay is accepted at many restaurants and food stalls. Simply scan the QR code at the checkout counter and pay using your GrabPay wallet. Order food delivery. Use GrabFood to order food from your favorite restaurants and pay with GrabPay. Book a ride. Use Grab to book a ride and pay with GrabPay. Pay for bills. You can use GrabPay to pay for your bills, such as your phone bill or utility bill. Shop online. Many online stores accept GrabPay as a payment method. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using GrabPay. GrabPay card. You can get a GrabPay card that you can use to make purchases at stores that don't accept GrabPay. Grab rewards. Grab offers a rewards program that lets you earn points for using GrabPay. You can redeem your points for discounts on rides, food, and other services. GrabPay security. GrabPay is a secure payment method. Grab uses advanced security measures to protect your account and your funds. As you can see, activating GrabPay is a simple process that can save you time and money. With GrabPay, you can easily pay for everything from food and transportation to shopping and services. So what are you waiting for? Download the Grab app today and start using GrabPay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.